Method. A way of doing something. He found a new method to solve the problem. The method of cooking this dish is simple. She uses a special method to teach math. They developed a method to clean the water. This method is faster than the old one.